Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to open multiple images in Photopea software. So let's started. At first, open your Photopea software. In this video, I will show, like you can see, open multiple images. Now select from new project option, then click. Now click from create option. Now you can see, then we are going to the file menu option, then click. Now click from open and place option. Now we find our picture. Now select from picture. Now click for open option. Now you can see, then we show the open. Now move from any side picture. Now keyboard press to enter, and now keyboard press from Ctrl T. Now resize your picture. Now you can see, then again multiple picture open. Now going to the file menu option, then click. Now click from open and place option. Now select from picture. Now click for open. That it's. Now you can see, open multiple picture in Photopea software is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel.